Here's a question for you. Can you tell me the difference between these two pictures? No? Okay. Can you tell me how many classes are involved here? Like, how many elements do you see? Classes, fields, methods. Okay, cannot tell me that either. Well, tell me the similarities besides the fact that they're both written in Java and they're practically the same code, should function the same way. Well, yeah, no, it's good. It's kind of difficult to do because these are practically indistinguishable. One of these is IntelliJ IDEA, an IDE specialized for Java and Kotlin, and the other is androidstudio, also an IDE specialized for Java and Kotlin for the Android operating system. Have you figured out which one is which? I'd be surprised if you did. So right now you can't see the difference. I don't see how you would. But how about now? It starts to shed a little bit of light at which is which. Android Studio is something I want to make some videos on because, well, project-based learning. You gotta make some projects. This was fun. This was absolutely fun. You now know the difference, don't you? Yes. Alright, so this doesn't even look like IntelliJ. This looks a lot more than Android Studio than it does IntelliJ. Let's fix that. We are back. It's probably what you're used to seeing. And this is what you are not used to seeing. So this is Android Studio. It looks exactly the same, doesn't it? Well, that's because they're both made by JetBrains, which means they have the same plugins and everything, so they have the same themes. That's why I was able to achieve the same color look as this. It's pretty fun, isn't it? Now, let me tell you, duplicating this in a different IDE, in a different SDK, I should say, because this is Java, this is JDK, and the one that we have in Android Studio here, this is an Android SDK. Edge to edge is not available in Java. This app compat activity is not available in Java. Insets actually does exist. Java.awt. View compact. This doesn't exist in JDK. So duplicating this was fun, absolutely fun, because I actually had to manually create all of these elements. I had to create all of these methods, these static methods, and inheritance, and this interface. I had to make it a public functional interface, so I can actually use this lambda expression. All of that I just had to analyze and actually create this. And this used to be blue because I was using a field to access. I was using a field variable to actually access the field in the class itself, if that makes sense. Yeah, I had to change this to be a name of class to get this color to change from this blue to be this, so it looks a lot exactly like the way Android Studio does it. And remember the class I asked? I remember the question I asked about classes. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took 9 classes to do this. Actually, it didn't just take 9 classes, because if we go to the R, we've got 2 more classes, and actually this is an interface, a function interface, like I said, so we can actually use lambda expressions. We do have insets in, like I said, Java AWC, but it's kind of not really useful. Now, does this work? Absolutely not. This is nowhere near as functional as one in Android Studio, but it's absolutely a very, very fun thing. So I plan to do Android Studio for the next one. And if you enjoyed me suffering the previous video, then you're really going to enjoy seeing me suffer in that one, because obviously it's more front end, which I completely despise. But yeah, this was a fun little thing that I actually had to work out on. Java elements. This is object-oriented programming. This object here, we're accessing members from the class. We're returning a Boolean value here. Wait, no, we're returning an inset actually here. Function interface. We've got inheritance, because this is a public method inside here. We don't have to specify any objects. We just use the method. Static methods, all that good stuff. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, this was a very short video. Kind of pointless, to be honest, but hey, made the video.